In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock or unlock layers in Adobe Photoshop. This is a fundamental skill that can enhance your workflow and help you manage your projects more efficiently. Whether you are a seasoned designer or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use the Layers panel is crucial. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Photoshop and make sure you have your file loaded. Once your project is open, it's time to access the Layers panel. If the Layers panel isn't visible, you can easily bring it up by navigating to the Window menu at the top of your screen and selecting Layers. This panel is the hub of all your layer management activities, and it's where most of your organizational work in Photoshop will take place. With the Layers panel now open, locate and select the layer you wish to lock. This step is essential because locking a layer prevents accidental edits to content you don't want changed, safeguarding your work as you experiment on other parts of your project. Once you've selected the layer, look for the lock icon. You'll find this icon situated at the top of the Layers panel. With a simple click of this icon, you'll see a small lock symbol appear next to the layer, indicating it is now securely locked. This ensures that no unintended alterations can be made to that specific layer, allowing you to focus on other areas without worry. However, if the time comes when you need to make changes to the locked layer, you'll naturally need to unlock it. To do this first, ensure you have the locked layer selected. It's important to double check because unlocking the wrong layer could disrupt your workflow. With the correct layer highlighted, return to the trusty lock icon at the top of your Layers panel. Clicking on it again will remove the lock symbol, freeing up the layer for any edits you need to make. Locking and unlocking layers is a straightforward yet powerful tool in Photoshop that helps keep your projects organized and secure. It allows you to protect vital elements while editing with confidence, rather than worrying about unintended changes. Remember to keep the Layers panel easily accessible and always double-check the layer you're working with to ensure a smooth editing process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to navigate Photoshop's Layers panel with greater ease and competency. As you continue to practice these steps, you'll find this process becomes second nature, enhancing both your speed and skill in digital design. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to master Adobe Photoshop.